Oh, I have a great feature I forgot to say about sourcing AI. For
Hmm.
example, let's say we found a tool, found a product, and we want to find a supplier for that. We click here, and we get redirected to sourcing AI by Seller Assistant with information added to your request. We just click send, and ChatGPT will do all the job for you. Let's see what happened right now. It's sourcing product for you. It's trying to find supplier. And finally, here you have a list of different suppliers with their costs and some information about, if you can sell it, is there any map policy on the product, etc.
Wow, man, pretty awesome.
You can find me this term for Cambro brand. Find me a distributor for Cambro brand in Florida, for example. Yeah, and I know that a lot of people buy products like for restaurant, for example, but there are some better choices available. You can find a local brand, local distributor, and try to connect with them and find some interesting prices for that, for example.
Nice, man. Very nice part of the extension. I would add to our viewers. Previously, we've seen the extension. If you please can go back to the Amazon page for a second.
Yeah.
There's a lot of features here, as people can see. We have covered most of them, if not all. Maybe some were added recently on our full overview of the extension itself. I'll link it in the description because I think it's really good. We go in depth, we explain all the little parts of it, and I think it's a really good video. It has gotten really good feedback. It's in the description. Of course, I'll also remind our viewers there's a free trial and a best discount and coupon code as well.